Your bonsai tree probably doesn't need a pot yet. When I first started, most of my trees were just growing in bigger pots. And honestly, that helped me way more than trying to make the perfect bonsai immediately. So while the trees looked rough for a long time, the trunks kept getting thicker. And one of the biggest questions people ask me is, how do you get the trunk so thick? A lot of it comes from just letting the tree grow. And while it's growing, that's when you practice. That's a little better. That's how you learn to make a tree actually look like a tree. Now, I'm guilty of rushing trees into bonsai pots sometimes too. Because honestly, it's exciting to see a tree and a pot paired together, especially when you have so many pots. But sometimes I end up pulling them right back out again and putting them in a bigger pot, just like I did with this guy. Because bigger containers help trees grow faster, respond faster, and they're great for beginners as you're learning the art of bonsai. So you don't need perfect trees in little pots right away. You just need something you can practice on. But don't forget to water.